Okay, we're at a market called, what is it called? Phsa Leu. That means Market Lee. And this one, everybody tells me, is the largest market here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. So I thought I would take a walk around and see what they have to offer. From the reports I get, from the reports I've read, you can get about just a little bit of everything that you want. Besides your standard meats, fruits, and vegetables, clothing items, and household wares. Let's see what else we can find here. So that should be quite interesting. It's very busy. I understand this is really not even the busy time. Oh, I did not know it went down that way. Well, let's go down that way a little bit. It feels really cool coming down this way, so it won't be so freaking hot like it is anyways. So I think we got some of the more local merchants here selling their wares, instead of some of the larger ones that have like tons and tons of stuff. Okay, well, let's get lost down this way. This is part 2 of my last discussion because I'm not sure if my camera was on or not. Hey, this freaking screen is like not even an inch by an inch. And I constantly have that problem. I gotta get that Bluetooth thing sorted out. But anyways, yeah, no, I was saying I need to go back to the United States for a couple of months to take care of yearly maintenance medical stuff. I am a veteran, so I get it all free, so why not make sure I'm healthy, wealthy, and, well, lucky, I guess, because I'm not wealthy. I wonder, I'd like to get a bracelet. Gosh. They look like they're all for girls. Yeah, I was supposed to get a bracelet on the water ceremony, which never happened, which was very upsetting. But you know what is not upsetting? Having 10 to 15 minutes of pure, raw, unedited video each week. Check out my Patreon page below. Now back to our scheduled program. Yeah, well, got to do that again. Now we're on the other side of where all of the jewelry counters are at. We were over there first. I'm not sure if I caught that or not. I've been ill the last couple of days, so I'm just starting to feel good today. I haven't been doing much the last couple of days. Having stomach issues, but it isn't from what I ate. It's just some Crohn's disease crap and too much carbonated beverages, and I won't get into any more detail about the carbonated beverages. Because those of you who know, you know. Yeah. Very easy to get any kind of carbonated beverage in this town, or in this country. It just makes it too easy. Oh, what else I got going on? I'm not sure how many more places I'm going to go while I'm here. I've got a couple of plans for some stuff. I'm doing a collab with another content creator. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully it goes good. And I think we're down to the end. I've crisscrossed back and forth several times now. So let's go ahead and let's see what's going on outside here. Get run over again. I almost twisted my ankle. That's why I wear these boots when I'm out filming. Uncomfortable as hell in this heat, but I think they've saved my ankle a couple of times. Yeah, I think, oh yeah, I was way down there when it started. Oh, and there's the street there. Let's see what happens on this other side here. I want to side off for a minute. Then of course, like any good market, on the outside of it, you're gonna have a whole bunch of nice places to get some street food from the street vendors. Everything from beverages to, oh, some cookies and sweets and fruits, vegetables, whatever your heart desires to eat, darn near that they have to offer here in this country. And then just some more kind of normal shops over there. Oh, we got Phsa Leu bakery here. Hey, I've been looking for a frickin' bakery. It looks like a real spendy bakery too. Oh, no, I'm looking for a baker. I don't need fancy stuff. I need I need some breads and stuff like that to eat. Not cakes and, yeah, no, I don't know, baguettes. Not the huge, gigantic baguettes, but kind of a little bit smaller baguettes. But no, I really didn't want to drive in this mess. I didn't think it'd be this busy. Well, it is a Monday morning, probably right around almost 12 o'clock. I know the street in front of my apartment, it gets really busy in the morning. Everyone heading to work and school, and then also it gets really busy when about 5 o'clock when everybody gets off. But then during the day, it's like a ghost town. I'm wondering if that was true all over the place here, but not up on National Road 6. Oh, heck no. And we got all the tuk-tuks and pass-apps waiting to bring people back to their home with all their yummy groceries. And me, I've got my motorbike, good old trusty motorbike. Just gotta be careful what you're doing when you're riding it. People are very, very considerate, but accidents do happen. However, yeah, it does happen. So you'll watch my video I posted on that a while back. The 4 rules of the road in Cambodia. It was quite comical and a very enjoyable video to do. Anytime I get to go ride around on my motorbike, I like it. I should do it more often, but lately I've been a little under the weather. But as far as that, I hope you saw enough of the inside there to go, oh wow, I want to share this with my mom and grandma and everybody else in the world. Well, that would be very nice and thoughtful of you. Yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, and it really helps. Sure does. I know my channel has gotten a lot of traction since I've been here in Cambodia, and I thank each and every one of you for that. I really, really appreciate that.